Coming up this month at Grays Online, we've got another V8 Torana. Now this is a 77LX and it is a factory 253 4-speed. So when it left the factory, it was fitted with a V8 and manual gearbox. The car's now running a 308. Now someone's gone to a lot of work on this car. They've put the Anonix flares, front rear spoilers, bonnet scoop on it. It's been repainted yellow. Now, it's quite a good looking car. There's probably just a few little things you might change or tone down on this, like the yellow boot around the gearbox and maybe the shifter. But it's got all the right bits and pieces there. It's, as I said, 308 4-speed. It's got the flares. It's got hot wire wheels. The body's fairly straight and tidy. There's a couple of little blemishes in the bonnet, but it's got a good basis to making something very, very nice. Now, if this was a genuine SLR 5000 or a genuine L34 Anonix, you're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that's out of a lot of people's budget. This car is still a very, very well-presented car, but it's not going to make that sort of money. So it comes up this month at Grays Online. If you're looking for a V8 4-speed Torana, it's well worth having a look at this car. It does present very nicely. So give us a call on 1300 Classic or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au.